Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm going to be a lot of shirtless videos because I'm living right on the beach, which is epic. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. And Bitcoin pumped yesterday, Solana pumped. We made huge gains. A big congratulations to all of you. I'm so glad you're joining me on this journey. If you've been here for 2.5 years, you know me very well and I love you all like my family. I talk to you more than I talk to even my mom. So I hope you're all having an amazing time learning a lot from me, my 21 years of experience in trading and investing. My goal is to compound my money. I have a lot of it and I'm trying to compound it, selling tops, buying bottoms, and really compounding with really good investments in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into Bitcoin, Solana, technicals, BNB. I also bought a lot of, let's jump into technicals. Now, we're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. And slight connection delay. It's because I was on airplane mode. So now we're jumping in technicals for Bitcoin. BTC 23,396 pumping, and big congratulations. So what you're looking at here, everyone, is the price movement of Bitcoin over the last few years. 64k, 29k, 69k, all the way down to 17k. And people were too afraid to buy there, but not us, because if you've been following my videos, we've been buying a lot down there, which is epic. Right now we're back above the 200 weekly moving average, and that's that blue, this colorful line. And that's very important to see, because you can see every time, even going back to all the way to 2015, whenever Bitcoin touches this is Bitcoin's price back at $175 in 2015. Whenever it touches this 200 weekly moving average, it's the bottom and it bounces off. It happened in 2015. It happened in 2019 when Bitcoin was at $3,000. It happened in 2020 when Bitcoin came in March 2020, COVID crashed to $3,800, and it just happened now at $23,000 as it went down to 17,000. RSI is turning to head up very strongly on the weekly. The daily RSI is also heading up strongly, and it's, let's see if there's any divergence. No divergence. It's heading up strongly. 4 hourly RSI is overbought. It's double peaking now, and it made a lower high. It's a bearish divergence here. The RSI made a lower on the 4 hourly. This is not so nice. On the 4 hourly, the RSI made a lower high, and the price made a higher high, which is a bearish divergence. So we've got to watch that carefully. Let's go into the week, back on the weekly, on the squeeze mob. Still going red, hasn't turned gray. On daily, going green. 4 hourly peaking at green, hourly peaking also at the green. Let's go into stochastic. Stochastic is overbought on the daily, underbought on the weekly, still more to go. It hasn't peaked twice on the daily yet. On the 4 hourly, it has peaked twice now though. So we've got to be careful here and watch this closely, but it's still looking bullish. Why? Because we broke out of this big pattern here, and this pattern was a giant bearish flag. This one, it's a bear flag. And the way it works, breaks, builds pressure here, and then usually drops to the downside. But yesterday, we broke back above this bear flag. If we can retest and bounce with volume, then $26,000 and then $30,000 would be the target. So important moment here. And we bounced off it quite strongly with volume. Look at that. We exactly bounced off that line. If you took that long on Bitcoin yesterday, big congratulations to you. Already huge in the profits, which is amazing. So on the 4 hourly, we are slightly making a bearish divergence on the RSI. So we need to watch it carefully. But we're above this line, and what's even more amazing is this is the big important indicator. This is the crypto guru bot, which you get in the crypto master course, and you can see here it made a sell rating on Bitcoin back here in April at $42,000. April 18th, it went red sell, and it stayed red sell all the way down from 42,000 all the way to 17,000, and then 2 days ago it flipped to a blue buy. So that's a very big indicator that just played out for Bitcoin. You get the Crypto Guru bot in the master course. The link is in the description. So on the 4 hourly, we're making a bearish divergence, but we got a big bounce off that retest, and that's important, that 22,800. We got that big bounce. If we can hold here and start moving up strongly, which it looks like we're going to do, this is also on the hourly, we're making a bullish bull flag on the hourly. That's bullish pattern. And if that plays out as well, Bitcoin can be moving towards the pole distance. This distance here, which can take us out of this bear flag to around almost 25,000. So if you have not yet opened the trade on Bitcoin, if you didn't take that trade yesterday, which is massive in the profits, where I would open the trade on Bitcoin now is I would open it where we're sitting right now, stop loss just beneath that retest, and the take profit at this target here, 26,000. That's a 7.6 ratio trade, which is epic. For every $1,000 you risk, you can make $7,600 without leverage. So, for example, on one Bitcoin, if you traded one Bitcoin, for risking $432 on your stop loss, $437, only $437, you can make $3,300 unleveraged. With 10x leverage, that'll be $33,000 of profits. With 100x leverage, $330,000 of profits, which is epic. If you want to trade Bitcoin the same way you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description, everyone go down below and click this Bybit link, where you can trade Bitcoin, altcoins, you can buy spot, you can long and short. I'm using Bybit as my main exchange for trading, among others, but this is one of the best ones. My team made a deal with them where you get $4,450 sign-up bonus when you deposit Bitcoin or USDT and start trading. So even if you've signed up with someone else's Bybit account, create another account, click this link, sign up, and then move your funds across and get this $4,450 sign-up bonus. If you don't use this link, you only get $400 bonus. So everyone go down below, click this link, sign up, and then that will give you this trading software. And we made mega gains yesterday, by the way. My account now has $450,902 US, almost $500,000 in this account now, which is epic. It's pumped a lot. I moved some more funds in here. I'm moving funds around, but 450,000, almost $500,000 in here. It pumped around $70,000 in the profits the last few days. USDC, I have almost $200,000 USDC. Bitcoin, I've got 5.7 Bitcoin, $133,000 off. Solana, I've got $51,000 worth, which pumped a lot, and USDT 18,000. And my Bitcoin trade is pumping. Look at this, 173% in the profits, $10,331 US in the profits. I used $5,964 to make $10,000 profits. So that almost $6,000 has turned into nearly $16,000. So big congratulations to you. This is a $53,000 Bitcoin trade, and I showed all my trades. Now this trade is up $10,300. I show every trade, so you could have taken this trade as well, which is beautiful. That's over on Bybit. On Binance, my account is pumping like crazy. In here, I have $508,000, $508,500, so more than $500,000, and that pumped around $20,000 yesterday. So that's epic. 21 Bitcoin worth of dollars in here. I've got 9 Bitcoin, 213,000. I've got BUSD, 173,000, and I've got $61,000 worth of Solana, and I've got $50,000 worth of BNB. So now let's check so again, if you want to trade, under the description, go down below, sign up to Bybit and start trading. Also join us in the live Telegram alerts group where I share trades as well. And don't forget to take the crypto master course. It's $333, and you learn my 21 years of investing experience in this course. There's 6,500 students inside that course. Now let's check out, and also I've got a trade open on Femex as well that I forgot about, which is now, it's $850 in the profits. It's around, I've got in here a 0.76 Bitcoin trade, and I've got in here a $22,000 Bitcoin trade. So I've got about, I don't know, like $40,000 worth of trades, $868 in the profits over on Femex. So now let's check so Bitcoin, in my opinion, that's the trade that I would take. If you haven't taken it, I'm going to share this in the Telegram alerts group. Don't forget to join our Telegram alerts group as well. Again, the link down below, I'll share this Bitcoin trade in there, and you can take that. So the trade would open at where we're sitting now, or just below 23,279, stop loss at 22,841, take profit at 26,611. Make sure, everyone, that you don't risk more than 2% of your capital on any trade. Never risk more than 2%. So if you're trading with $1,000, you can only risk $20 on one trade. If you're trading with $100,000, you can only risk $2,000 on your stop loss on any one trade. Why do you do that? That's risk management, portfolio management, so you don't lose your capital. Our goal is not to win every single trade. Our goal is to make sure our losses are no more than 2% and have huge profitable trades. And then when you can lose 10 trades or 20 trades and not be losing, and make one trade to make it all back if you follow that mindset. Never risk more than 2% of your capital on any one trade, as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course. Now let's look at BNB, because I've got a big trade open on BNB now. $266. BNB is breaking out of this ascending triangle, or ascending wedge, kind of. It broke out already. The base of this triangle, this distance here, is the target distance. So that distance will take us to $303. We had a huge pump up after I bought it yesterday. Pumped all the way to $274 and pulled back. So I had a lot of gains from BNB there, but it's still bull flagging. The target will be $303. Let's see where we've got resistance. And that's exactly where the big resistance is, at this 303. On the daily, RSI is quite overbought. On the weekly, this is just getting started. On the daily, though, it is overbought, but still heading up. It hasn't peaked yet. on the 4 hourly, the 4 hourly is making a bearish divergence. So on Bitcoin and Binance, BNB, we have a bearish divergence. That's not too good. Bearish divergence means we can drop down. We need to get a strong pump here on the 4 hourly, or we're going to have a pullback in the short term on Bitcoin. Let's look at squeeze mob is going towards green side. Stochastic is also peaking, so there can be a pullback on the markets right now. So I would, if you want to, you can close all your trades to just make sure that you lock in your gains, but I would be careful here because there's going to be a lot of FOMO. So I would be careful closing a lot of positions here, but in the short term there will be a pullback, so keep that in mind. On the hourly, it's turning to head up. Interesting, and there's strong volume. I think there's going to be a lot of FOMO here, so just keep this in mind. It's also bull flagging as well, so the target distance in the short term for BNB would be this pole flag distance, which would take you to $280, which is a nice trade. I would actually open a long here as well, but on the pullback. So here, stop loss just beneath and take profit at the top of the target. That's the BNB 4.9 ratio trade, which is epic. For every $1,000 risk, make almost $5,000 gain. 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, 500,000. You get the picture. 5 to 1 almost. That's the BNB trade I'll take. Let's check Solana, and let's see if this bearish divergence is also on Solana as well. I'm trying to go quick. It's quite a few altcoins, and so Bitcoin, BNB, Solana also breaking out of the same kind of pattern. This big ascending triangle. The target will be $57. We had a big pump and then a pullback. It pumped all the way actually to $47, but the target is still 27% up from here. Or here we also have this bull flag forming here. Stochastic is turning up on the 4 hourly, which is interesting, and RSI is making higher. So RSI and Stochastic on Solana is looking bullish. So Solana has a target of $57. So again, if you want to trade everything under the video, sign up to Bybit. Go down below now, click this link, sign up, get this $4,450 bonus. If you signed up in anyone else's account, use this. Join us in the Telegram and take the crypto masterclass to learn all of this. Let's check on my Bitcoin, on my trade. So Bitcoin again is still $10,200 in the profits, 170% in the account now, 450,000. It fluctuates a lot. In this video, it just changed like $500. This position is up $840, and this Binance account is up 800 and something odd. It just went down $800, but still $500,000 in the profits, $508,000, which is beautiful, of the account value. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up button, take the crypto course, trade on Bybit, learn everything that you can from me. I hope you have a beautiful day. Love you all. My goal is I'm going to keep making videos. 2.5 years I've been making videos every single day. I love your audience. Who's been following me for 2.5 years? Let me know in the comment section how long you've been following me. And don't forget, I left this to the end. Make sure you always watch the videos to the end. If you comment down below, 5 winners every month are chosen for $200, and my team does pick these people. These are real winners. So make sure you're commenting on every single video. You can see here, also the purchasing power of $100 since January 1st, 2000. It's gone down 50% almost. That's why you need to be investing in Bitcoin. How to deal with the stress of market volatility. Step 1, close. Step 2, close your laptop. These are some gains from the students yesterday. 200% on Solana, 3% on Cell, 91% on Solana. This is in the Telegram live group. 50% on Ant, 73% on Dusk, 52% on Solana, 40% on this is the same image. Magicraft also pumping yesterday, almost $400,000 of volume, 1.7 million market cap. I really pay attention to Magicraft, everyone, because we're going to soon be announcing something incredible. PS5, Mokan won the PS5 in the Telegram group, which is beautiful. 60% on Bitcoin, that student got. Everyone just making 430%, 114%. These are some of the gains from my students the last few days, all in the Telegram group, which you can join for free. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.